What if I told you your job could vanish tomorrow? Not because of layoffs, not because you failed, but because a machine just learned how to do it faster and cheaper. From truck drivers to teachers. Artificial intelligence isn't coming, it's already here. The question is, will you survive it? In just 2 years, AI tools like ChatGPT, Tesla's Autopilot, and Midjourney have gone from experiments to everyday tools in America. Analysts estimate that up to 30% of all work hours in the US could be automated by 2030. Think about that, nearly a third of what Americans do for a living could be done by code. So, who's first in line? Customer service reps replaced by AI chatbots that never sleep. Truck and delivery drivers replaced by self-driving fleets already testing in Arizona. Retail clerks and fast food workers replaced by self-checkout kiosks and robotic fryers. Graphic designers, writers, even marketing assistants replaced by AI templates that cost nothing. And now, even teachers, lawyers, and accountants are seeing AI learn faster than interns. Behind every upgrade, there's a person quietly losing hours or hope. Mike, a warehouse worker from Texas, replaced by robotic arms. Tina, a customer service rep from Florida, handling double the calls after her team was cut. Jenna, a freelance designer in Chicago, lost 70% of her clients to AI tools. These aren't statistics. They're people watching the future arrive without them.
But it's not all doom. AI will destroy some jobs and create others. New roles like prompt engineers, AI trainers, ethics specialists, and human AI supervisors are emerging fast. The future belongs to those who learn to use AI, not fight it. Learn it, control it, don't get replaced by it.
AI isn't replacing people. It's replacing people who don't evolve. So are you adapting? Or waiting until the code takes over your paycheck? But here's the truth. AI isn't your enemy. It's here to help. In the next part, I'll bring real, practical ideas you can use to adopt AI in your own job role. Tell me in the comments what role you want me to cover, because even if these ideas don't fix everything, they'll help you evolve. So stay connected, so you won't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching. Stay aware, stay ready. This is the new revolution.